Hello friends, it is a whopping 46 degrees out. You probably couldn't see that, but yeah, I can see my breath. This is not normal for Daytona Beach, but today the topper is coming off of the truck. The whole reason I bought this thing was so for when I go to car shows and stuff, you know, I can stack multiple rows of boxes. So I had it all loaded up, and I've had 2 car shows get canceled in the last 2 weeks. So I gotta unload everything, and while I'm at it, I'm like, I might as well take the topper off because it's ugly. I know I've talked about it before, but basically the guy sent me the wrong dimensions. I drove like 3 hours to get it, and I had to put wood just to make it fit. And it's been all right for quite a few months, but it's starting to peel itself up. It's also not watertight, so when it rains, which happens a lot here in Florida, it gets water all in there, and my flat topper didn't do that, so this thing is coming off. All right, let me not stare directly into the sun. All right, so I switched over to the GoPro. Let's see how this turns out, but I got all the stuff that needs to come out has come out, so just took off the latches, so now it's time for the topper to come off. All right, so that does not want to come off. I put like a adhesive rubber seal on there, and I guess that's what's holding it together now. So I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, so that was a giant pain, but it is off. So the process for getting the topper off was a blast. So much fun. But now the next step is get the boards off that were helping hold it on to the truck, and then put my flat topper back on. So I just moved the truck out of the way, and now time to do that. All right, so the truck is starting to look like a truck again. Thankfully, the wood planks came off pretty easy, so that's all handled. Now I just got to clean off the flat bed topper that I've had. It's just been sitting outside for as long as I've had this one, so got to give that a good clean, and then it'll be on the truck. So as you can see, the flat topper has seen better days. So let's get that cleaned up. All right, so I cleaned it off fairly well. Just waiting for it to dry. And then over here, to fill in the holes, I used clear drying silicone. It's not the prettiest, but shouldn't leak, so gotta wait for that to dry and then put the top back on. All right, so here it is. It definitely still needs some more cleaning, but we're supposed to get a lot of rain this weekend, so I figured that might even help me clean it. So obviously can't store as much stuff back here as when I had the topper, but it looks so much better. Looks like a truck again. All right, I know this wasn't the most exciting thing, but you know, it needed to get done. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hope I catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Also, here's a bonus clip of Leia because she is adorable.